Welcome class. So today we'll try to learn how to create a table using Oracle 11G. So we'll directly jump to the SQL prompt. So to create a table, we'll have a create table command. I'm going to create table for storing student record. So student underscore data is the name of the table. Then we'll have first field, that is roll number, number type. We all know that roll number is like some digital data in some cases, but in other cases it may be mix of character and number. But here I'm taking example of numeric data, numbers only. I'm taking maximum width 4. Second field which I want to store for student record, that is name of the students with field name, and I'm taking data type varchar. So varchar2 is basically var means variable, char means character. So it allocates memory dynamically. I'm taking maximum, I'm assuming that maximum size of a name can be 30 characters long. And the advantage of varchar is, suppose for one record, if I'm storing name for 5 characters only, the rest spaces for 25 characters will not be wasted. Means my system acquire that data in memory space for storing a name for 5 characters only. But the flexibility with this varchar is we can store a name of size 30 characters, right? Now, class. Class, we all know that BCA, BBA, MB, BBL, LBB take like that. So I'm taking care, or let's take varchar. It is good habit to take varchar 2 for size 5 maximum, because we have some courses like BBL with 5 characters. Semester if we keep it Roman, then I can take uh, char in bracket 2, right? And last one I'm taking price. So not price, it's fee, because student has to pay fee. So it is pure of number type, but with the decimal places. If I take 12 and then I put bracket, this will become integer, means this fee field can take integer data only. But no, sure, in fees our prices will have some decimal values. So we'll have 12 comma 2, means 10 digit will be reserved for integer data, and the rest 2 digit will be reserved for the decimal data. We can store points also after decimal, right? If you click here, it says this is common error we may be facing. Create student data. This table is already there, so I can do one thing. I can give a new name to this. I have taken data 1, enter. Roll number is this. Next field is roll number, name, class, semester, section, fees, sorry. So roll number, name, class, semester, fees. We have got a table created. You will get messages like this only, table created. Now we would like to see the table detail. To write down DESC command. with table name, that is student underscore data, uh, data data 1. See it here. So roll number, name, class, semester, and you can see it here. The data type you have decided for. Roll number will take number data up to four digits. Name will take character data up to 30 digits. Class will take again character data up to, or varchar data up to 5 digits or 5 characters. Semester will take character data up to 2 characters, right? And then fee will take number data with decimal places. The total size is 12. If somebody says what is the size of fee column, this is 12, and this 12 is divided into two sections, the two parts. 10 10 plus 2. So 10 will be reserved for the integer data, and 2 will be reserved for the decimal. So this is all about how to table. Very, very simple. It is up to your requirements that how you plan to create table for which type of can say data. Like this case, I have taken a student record, and this very, very simple table. You can enhance it by adding some more columns into it, right? So with this, thank you very much and have nice learning.